Good morning, YouTube. Hey, wow. I posted that video Monday and I just cannot believe the amount of support that I've gotten from you guys. Wow, I'm just blown away, really. I appreciate all the kind comments that I got and the support and the advice as well. I did want to clarify a few things that I did say in that video. My math was wrong on the fasting. It is 18-6, someone corrected me on that. So I go 18 hours without eating, 6 hours is my eat time. Like right now I'm in a fast. It is 9:30 in the morning. I just got to work, just opened up the dealership. Another thing too, I am not gonna be doing carnivore prolonged. I'm only gonna be doing carnivore till I get to my ideal weight, which is gonna be 205. Once I get to 205, I am definitely gonna be in the process of researching my ideal type of diet. I do appreciate carnivore for everything that it is, and I definitely like the results and the way that I feel. I do agree that I miss vegetables and fruits sometimes. So what I might do is once I get down to my ideal weight, I might incorporate some type of vegetable. If I do carbs, it's gonna be very, very low carbs, under 120 grams a day. And I'm probably just gonna do a calorie deficit to maintain my weight and feel good. Definitely stay away from the sugars. I still haven't had any soda. I haven't cheated on my carnivore diet at all. Yesterday, I had some eggs and some cheese for dinner. I had some ground beef for breakfast. So I'm still in a calorie deficit. Weighed myself this morning. I'm still, gradually losing weight. It's not as crazy as it was at first, but I'm still doing it. I can see the results. I probably shouldn't weigh myself every single day. It's kind of just like a ADHD thing, I guess. I don't know. I just like doing it. I'm probably gonna switch to only doing it on Mondays though, after I wake up in the morning, and then I'm just gonna start jotting down my weight and just kind of paying attention to that way, because I'm not in a race. I know this is a marathon, and I know that this has to become my lifestyle if I want this to do good for me forever. I can't just do this until I reach my goal and then quit. I understand that. But I did want to jump on here and just thank everybody for the support. You guys have definitely motivated me to post more, and maybe start like a small little vlog or something. My life isn't too exciting. My camera angle's horrible. My life isn't too exciting, but if people are interested in seeing it, I can tell you I've been watching YouTube as my main source of entertainment for probably the last 15 years. And a lot of the YouTubers that I grew up watching and stuff are retiring and quitting and getting rid of their channels. So maybe sorry about that, I got a phone call. Anyways, maybe this is an opportunity for me to maybe get my voice heard and share my life with people. And if that's something people are interested in, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate all the likes. Subscribe if you want to see what I do every day. Thank you guys so much. I'll be posting a video update on my weight and stuff here within the next couple of days, so stay tuned.